In this example, what we want to do is to read bunch of numbers and print whether they are odd. We don't need to do any specific calculation. It's just a basic example of how we use if inside our loop and if structure inside our loop. And the way that we decide a number is even or odd is by looking at its mod to 2. If the number mod 2 is 0, then it's even, otherwise it's odd. The first thing that we need to do is to read the first number. So same way as here. Then we can enter the loop. We don't know how many numbers the user is going to enter. All we know is the last number is 0. So the loop condition is while number is not 0. Num is not 0. Then we need to check if the number is odd, then print a message that, hey, this number is odd. In order to do that, we did an if statement. Inside if num mod 2 is not 0. Then we print num is odd. And this is a one-way selection statement. That means there is no else because our program doesn't need us to do anything if the number is not odd. So all we need to do after the if statement is to read the next number. And remember that we put num under if the same level of indentation to just show that, hey, this num is outside of this if code block, but it's still inside while. So these two, they have the same level of indentation. And basically, that's it. There's nothing else for us to do. Let's give it a try. 6, nothing. 7, see, 7 is odd. 4, nothing. 9, 9 is odd. And the last number, 0, program exits.